Good morning. So today, Mr. Not a Mechanic Betty and myself will be replacing the door frame on the shed door. It is eaten up with termites on the bottom of it, and so the door sags, so it's really hard to open. So we're going to take care of that today so I don't have to worry about fighting that door every time I come out here to the shed. Let's get on to that. Come on. Yeah, so that's a lot of work. Every time I need a hammer or a screwdriver or a wrench, I have to go through that. And so let me show you what's causing the door to not open like that. Inside here, there. Now look at that. That's the problem. See how we've tried to fix it in the past by jacking it up and putting shims in there to hold it, but it's just not the right thing to do. What we're going to do is we're going to cut out these boards about here and put new boards in, and then this whole bottom, we'll cut this out wherever it stops. Right here it feels solid, right here not so much. And so we'll cut it, we'll splice it in, and we'll replace the bottom ones. We'll also replace this with a 4x4 on both sides. That's what I got to work on today. So if you'd like to follow me on this journey of replacing the door frame, come on. So right now he's removing the doors to take a lot of weight off. These are metal doors. They're really heavy. So we're going to remove the hinges from the wood and take them off, so then when we cut the wood, put it back on, then we'll put the doors on. Okay, so we got the doors off, and now I'm going to cut around, use this tool here. I need to remove this facing piece here, and so I'm going to cut through the caulk and everything to be able to remove it. In here, we're going to cut the top and so we could remove this board. We got to see the structural support here where it goes. I got two pieces that I'm going to have to cut here. I might have to use like a sawzall or something like that. I don't think this little tool here is going to cut through that thick of wood. So I'll use this tool on that, and then we'll use something else over here. We're going to do the same thing to the other side, but we got to wait till we complete this side before doing that, just so for the structural integrity of this building. So that's what we'll get on to. Look at that termite damage. So that's what you could tell, is that some boards are treated, some boards are not. Look at how much we got. We got that whole frame taken off. It's just the outer siding is all that's left here, and just these 2x4s. So now we're gonna get rid of those 2x4s. We gotta remove everything that is bad before we can replace the other. We can't just nail new boards on top of old. So we got to make sure it looks good, it's all clean, and tidied up so that the new boards will fit in there perfectly, because we're trying to make something that's going to last a long time. Good. Look, these termites knew that this is my shed. See, they made a bee on it. See that? Bad. Cut all the way up to there. Good. So much dirt. The termites just ate this down too. To dirt. It's turning into dirt. It's like I could make something. I mean, like grow a garden. Some kind of barrier, water barrier. Hand me this tool. I need to cut that. Oh, I don't want to touch the blade. I think, yeah, that's probably treated wood there. Look at how much a difference that makes now. He put in the 2 bolts there, there, 1 there and 2 there. And now, I mean, from just, you saw how it looked. Let's see, that's them on this side. So what I'm doing now is I have this 4x4 right here in place. So I'm going to go over here on this side, which is good, and put some of these screws in to hold that solid. And then I'm going to come out here and I'm going to put some in on the same 4x4, but from the outside in to hold everything tight together. Okay, and now I got this, this board is not all the way even with his, so I have to pry. I'm gonna have to go get something to pry this to put it down, get it straight even, and then I'm gonna have to toenail it so it'll stay there. So let me go grab a board to use to pry this with. I got my screws there, and stick this in here. what he's doing now is striking out the hinges, and that's when you cut out with a router a little kind of trench area that the hinge sits in, so that when it's up on the door, it adds that strength to the hinge to keep the door from sagging. And it's as opposed to just screwing them directly onto the wood. This is the better way of doing it. Now if you could see the wild creature at his work in his natural habitat. Striking at wood with a chisel. It's one thing these creatures enjoy doing. All right, so it's time to hang the door. We got that totally vertical, and now we gotta put the door back in, see how it fits. Okay, it's almost time for the grand closing of the door and see if it works. We got it hung, and now we're gonna try it and see. Let me move these tools out of the way first. Okay. Now let's see if this door shuts. Awesome. Look at that. Woo! Now that's nice. That's high class. We got a working door. So we got both of them on now, and let's see how they work. That was easy. Whew. Oh, that feels so nice. That's great. Perfect. I'm so happy now. I finally have a door where I can just walk out here, open it up, and go on in. So that was a day's work, but we got something checked off that we really needed to do. And so now I just gotta pick up all these tools, clean up, and we'll be done for today. This was one of those jobs, you know, I usually say, if I can do it, so can you. I had a lot of help on this one. Sometimes people need a little bit of help sometimes. So thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, tell your friends, and most of all, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.